Hi. In this video, you will learn how to download, install, and activate Norton Utilities Ultimate. If your Norton subscription includes Norton Utilities Ultimate, open a browser and go to my.norton.com. Click Sign In. Sign in using your Norton account email address and password. Hover over your name at the top right corner and click Subscriptions. In the My Subscriptions page, under Norton Utilities Ultimate, click Download. In the Get Started window, click and read the License and Services Agreement, and then click Agree and Download. If you use Google Chrome, click on the download icon, and then click the downloaded exe file. If the User Account Control window appears, click Yes. The installation setup begins. In the Welcome screen, click and read the End User License Agreement and Privacy Policy. And then click Install. Once the installation is complete, your Norton Utilities Ultimate subscription gets activated automatically at the background. That's it. You have successfully downloaded, installed, and activated your Norton Utilities Ultimate, and you can now make use of its features. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit support.norton.com.